Hi guys, welcome to Art of Funny. I am Anirudh and today we are going to continue our Marvel series of artworks. And for that we are going to paint the first Avenger himself, Captain America. A man of honor, a man always ready to stand up for the innocent, and a man who is worthy enough to pick up Thor's hammer. So let's jump right into it. So we have begun over here. As always, I am testing out any ideas that I have for the artwork. For this Captain America artwork, I had already decided that it is going to be Captain America holding the Mjolnir. Of course, because of the epic scene from the movie. For the first sketch, I thought of making a very strong side pose in which Cap has just called back the Mjolnir. Looks good, but nothing great, so moving on. For the second sketch, I forgot to record it, but it's fine. This one features a dramatic fight scene of Cap and Thanos. I really dig this one because of the action and the dramatic camera angle it has, but I want to make a solo Captain America artwork at this time, so this one is also scrapped. Now on to the next one. I've started with sketching out a frontal pose of Captain America. I started liking this symmetrical composition of it, and it suddenly hit me that I wanted to continue the beginning and the end theme from my previous Iron Man artwork. To show Cap's beginning, it will be absolutely perfect to paint his silhouette from the first Avenger movie poster in the background. The idea is locked, and now we can work toward the finish line. A quick side note guys, I want to talk about taking references. A lot of beginner artists shy away from using references, but as you can see, I am also using a lot of references right now to put in all the details of the Cap's outfit and the overall artwork in general. So remember, references are important and necessary help to make your artwork look good, and it is not cheating to do so. So remember, references are your friends. Moving on with the colors, like always I start with filling in the base colors, which helps me decide the color harmony and mood of the artwork. And believe me guys, it is way easier to decide the mood at this stage, cause if you do that later, it becomes difficult to make everything look part of the same atmosphere. So it's better to do it at this point. After that is done, we move forward to blocking out the shading and lighting of the whole scene. At this stage, always remember guys, the closer you look, the less you see. It will help making your artwork as a whole look better. As we move toward the completion of the artwork, painting this moment of Captain America feels so amazing, cause it was such an epic scene. The first shock came when Thanos broke Cap's shield with his twin blade, and right after that came the second shock, and that is when Cap lifted up the Mjolnir. Right after that, the beating Cap gave to Thanos with the Mjolnir was so damn satisfying to watch. I can go on and on about that scene guys. But on a side note, did you know that Cap could always lift the hammer? He was always worthy for that. He just didn't do it because he did not want to hurt Thor's feelings, or ego you can say. What a nice man he is guys, I mean seriously, that could be the simplest definition to Cap's character, but still it makes so much sense. A guy who always carries a will to stand up for what is right, to protect the innocent, a will which is even more unbreakable than his shield. A man showing the world the best humanity has to offer, and that man is Captain America. So that is it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me what you liked and what you didn't like about this video in the comment section below, and you can also connect with me at your favorite social platforms. Next up, we are going to paint the God of Thunder himself, Thor Odinson. So Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you enjoy the content, and stay tuned for that. I'll check you guys later.